Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your device and app can share the clipboard. This matters because permission or OS differences change how data is read. On Windows or Mac OS, open the app you'll paste into. On mobile, unlock and focus the input field. If an app asks for clipboard permission, grant it now so the data flow is allowed. Once done, copy a small test item from a known source so you can verify the next steps quickly and safely. You now retrieve the clipboard so you can act on its contents. This step explains how and why different systems vary. On desktop, use keyboard shortcuts and check clipboard history tools like Win+V on Windows or a clipboard manager on Mac OS to pick older entries. On mobile, long press the text field to reveal paste options or the clipboard UI. For programmatic access, call the platform API such as Clipboard, read text, and handle. You finish by pasting and confirming the result. This is where correctness matters most. Paste into the target field and inspect formatting and content for unwanted metadata or sensitive information. Edit or redact as needed before sending. If paste fails, make sure clipboard access permissions are still enabled, clear or select the correct clipboard entry from history, and restart the app or device if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if repeated failures occur, rebooting often clears transient clipboard locks and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.